Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain the Glimpses of India Part 2, that is core, written by Lucas Abrol, and this core is important for both CBC and SEBA curriculum. I am going to explain its paragraph by paragraph. The first paragraph is that midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from kingdom of God. This land of rolling hills is inhabited by proud race of martial men between women and wild creatures. The Coorg is situated between Mysore and coastal town of Mangalore. Mysore are coastal টাউনৰ মাজত অৱস্থিত এখন অতি সুন্দৰ that is very beautiful place seems that is made by the God only. This land is rolling hills inhabited by proud race of martial men, beautiful women and wild creatures. A Coorg এখন অতি মনোমোহা আৰু তাক লৈ সকলোৱে গৌৰৱবোধ কৰিব পাৰে আৰু ইয়াৰ মানুহখিনি মাৰ্চিয়েল মেন বিশেষভাৱে তেওঁলোক যোদ্ধা আৰু তাৰ মহিলাসকল the ladies are very beautiful and it is full of wild creatures বিভিন্ন বনৰীয়া জীৱ-জন্তু আৰু বিভিন্ন উদ্ভিদ ইয়াত পোৱা যায় Coorg Kodagu is the smallest district of Karnataka is home of evergreen forest এখন কৰ্ণাটকৰ এখন সৰু জিলা ইয়াত the forest is consist of evergreen forest মানে whole year গোটেই বছৰ ধৰি ইয়াৰ হাবিখিনি ইয়াৰ jungle always it used to become green ইয়াত বিশেষকৈ spices মছলাৰ খেতি কৰা হয় and coffee plantation আৰু কফি খেতি কৰা হয় Evergreen rainforest covered 30% of the district. Our Coorg district is covered 30% of whole district. During the monsoons, it pours enough to give many visitors. Monsoon times, during the season of monsoon, enough rain used to come here, and because of that, the visitor do not usually come in that time. The season of Joy commences from September, continues till March. আৰু ইয়ালৈ আহিব পৰা আটাইতকৈ সুন্দৰ সময়খিনি হ'ল ছেপ্টেম্বৰৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ হয় আৰু মাৰ্চ মাহলৈকে এটো চলি থাকে It begins on September and people favorable time to visit Coorg is till March. The weather is perfect, বতৰ বৰ ধুনীয়া with some showers thrown in for good measure. The year breathes of invigorating coffee. Here জলবায়ু Coorgৰ জলবায়ু কফি খেতিৰ কাৰণে অতি সুন্দৰ Coffee estates and colonial bungalows stand tucked under tree canopies of prime corners. বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ colonial bungalow stand tucked together and canopies prime corners. Coffee estates, since the Coorg is famous for the coffee estates. Because of that, the all bungalows of coffee estates and tree canopies means this all the areas are covered nicely by the leaves of the trees in whole areas. The fiercely independent people of Coorg are possibly Greek or Arabic descent. Oti fiercely independent means they are brave independent people of Coorg. তেওঁলোক সাধাৰণতে গ্ৰীক আৰু আৰবৰ বংশোদ্ভৱ বুলি কোৱা হয় that means they come from either from Greek or Arabs. As one story goes, a part of Alexander army moved south along the coast, settled here when return became impractical. One story আছে যে গ্ৰীচৰ যিখিনি মানুহ ইয়ালৈ আহিছিল আলেকজেণ্ডাৰৰ লগত দক্ষিণ উপকূলৰ সেই জাগাদি গৈ পেলাই তেওঁলোক তাত স্থাপিত হৈছিল কিয়নো তেওঁলোক আকৌ গ্ৰীচলৈ ঘূৰি যোৱাটো অসম্ভৱ হৈছিল These people married amongst the locals and their culture is apparent in the martial traditions, marriage and religious rites which are distinct from Hindu mainstream. এই মানুহখিনিয়ে তাৰপিছত যেতিয়া তেওঁলোক তাত বসবাস কৰিবলৈ ল'লে তেওঁলোকে তাৰ স্থানীয় মানুহৰ লগত সম্পৰ্ক স্থাপন কৰিবলৈ ধৰিলে যেনেকৈ বিবাহ বাৰুৰ দ্বাৰা তেওঁলোকৰ সমাজত নিজকে mingle hole. That means they mix up with the local society by marrying the local girls and they follow the religions what the local people follow, and they actually they little different from the Hindu mainstream people of India. The theory of Arab origin was support from long black coat with one embroidered waist belt worn by the Kudabus known as Kupia. Kudabu people, they worn a long black coat and they have a waist belt, embroidered waist belt on their waist, and that is called kupia. Telkor pinha desto eta dighol kotor isna tade edal belt thake kokalot aru hi dress tok telkor long coat to koa hoy amar yat koa hoy ki kupia. It resembles kupia worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. Aru etu Arabor aru Kurds manukila pina kufiar nisina. That means it has the resembles the kufia worn by the people of Arabs and Kurds. Kurgi homes have tradition of hospitality and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor related to their sons and fathers. Tradition of hospitality they like to hospitalize the people. They want to welcome the people from anywhere, and they have the numerous, that means many, they have the many stories regarding their braveness and their regarding